guys, it's Rachel here, and if you're watching this video, it is New Year's Eve, and I'm doing this quick little video to announce I'm going to be having a sale as of the 1st of January. So at 12:01 on the 1st of January, there will be a sale on my digital items. It's going to be 20% off. It's automatic, so you don't need to put a code in, and it's going to run for the first 3 days of January. So until the 3rd, so it'll be midnight. I guess it'll be my time. So you've got to calculate that, your time, wherever you are in the world. And I've just got these here, so you've got something to look at. But yep, so if there's any digital kits that you might like but you may not have, it's a good time to take advantage. I don't have many sales throughout the year, as I have my discount codes and stuff, but this is a bigger discount. So just flipping through to show you some of the different kits. There's botanicals, all kinds. If there's anything you've been holding off purchasing and you might like it, it's a good opportunity to get it at a discount. I also wanted to take the opportunity, please don't ask me for these journals. I have a list, and I will be offering them when I come back to the next person on my list, and they're not finished, so they're not anywhere near. So I wanted to take the opportunity to say to you guys, thank you so much for all of your support in what year was it, 2022, and we've had a lot of fun together, I think, and here's to a new year, 2023, and let's hope it's wonderful for everybody, and happy new year. So once again, thank you so much for all your kindness and your wonderful support and your kind words, and have a great New Year's Eve. I'm going to be in Queensland with my brother and my mum and my sister, and yeah, have a great one. Thank you so much. Bye.